Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you two types of work at home typing jobs that pay you well in 2020. Alright, my name is Andy. I'm in internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning more about digital marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are several types of work at home typing jobs. Some typing jobs pay you more than others, and some typing jobs require special training, education, or equipment to do them. Typing jobs can cover simple data entry jobs and different types of transcription jobs. Many of typing jobs can be done at any time of a day or around your own schedule. Some can be done during evening or nighttime. So if you want to work in the free time, you can earn extra money from your home by typing on your computer. So number one is a data entry jobs. Data entry is the simplest typing job that just about anyone can do. Even if you are not as a fast typist, you can improve your typing over and over. You can break into data entry jobs without experience. Data entry job involves a typist to input data into a company or client system using often a keyboard of your computer. Data entry operators may be required to verify or edit data as they input the data to a system. And be aware of scams when applying for this type of typing jobs from home, as there are a lot of data entry scams out there. Apply for the data entry jobs that you trust, or the company that you trust, or the site that you trust that offer and list legitimate data entry jobs. So what is the requirement to do the data entry jobs? Fast and accurate typing skills, good spelling and grammar skills, strong knowledge of basic computer and software application, and you have a computer, either a PC or a laptop, a fast internet connection, and a quiet room. And number two jobs is a transcription jobs. If you are a good listener and have a fast and accurate typing skills, then transcriptions is a great typing job from home for you. This job involves you to listen and type audio files such as dictation, lectures, interviews, speech, podcasts, and video into readable text. You have to work often to tight deadlines, but you can do it on your own schedule. General transcription jobs do not require you to have special skills other than having a good typing skills, but for medical and legal transcription jobs may require the typist have a certain skills, training, or educational qualification. So when hired for any transcription jobs, client will send you an audio files. You will then download the audio files and then send your attachment via email to the clients or transcriptions company. Some transcription companies require that freelance or remote typists have a certain educational qualification to be able to work for these companies too. Payment for transcription jobs can be very greatly based on different companies. Skill required for this job: fast and accurate typing skills, good spelling and grammar skills, good hearing and listening skills, basic computer and software application. And also sometimes they require you for the education. Certain educational and technical qualification may be necessary depending on the company. And for the equipment, most employers require that you supply all of or some of this equipment for transcription work, whether you work as an employee or a freelancer. A computer, either a PC or a laptop, but some companies may require it to be a PC. A fast internet connection, headphones, foot pedals, and the transcription software. How to get started? So if you have a PC or laptop and the internet connection, you are ready to start searching for work at home typing jobs. Here are some ways to land your first typing job from home. Sign up for freelancing sites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, Gurus.com, and etc. You can find the link in the description of this video. Browse various types of typing jobs depending on your skills. Next, sign up for online job sites such as FlagJob and Indeed.com to search for jobs in typing industry. Look for jobs in different types of typing jobs specific site. You may be required to take skill tests during this hiring process. Next, you can also contact your local companies to see if they have any work of data entry or transcription job for you. Places to find work at home typing jobs. Here are some of the reputable companies and sites that offer and list legitimate work at home typing jobs such as data entry and transcription jobs. Medical transcription jobs pay more money than any other typing jobs from home. Data entry jobs generally pay $5 to $20 per hour depending on type of company, complexity of work, and your skill level. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom or dad, student or retiree, or someone who needs some extra cash, work-at-home typing jobs are available online and offline. You can make some extra money doing typing jobs from your home, choosing your own hours. Okay friends, so in this video I have explained two types of work-at-home typing jobs and places to find that work. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if you find this information in this video is helpful, please like this video and it will help the algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please watch my other two videos here. This video will help you to learn more about digital marketing. Have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next video.